Brett Manning, I'm president of Tier Power. We are a switchgear and controls manufacturer, primarily in the electrical and data center space. Super fast, dynamic business, fast pace. We've got about 45 people. We're trying to go head to head with businesses that are much larger. Our story in finding ITS was we were acquired, and our former parent wasn't able to service us as well as themselves, so they kind of stepped back from the IT side. A little earlier than we thought, a little faster than we thought. So through some connections that we had, we found our way to ITS, met with Mike, had a conversation. He put us in touch with a sales guy, and then we quickly hooked up with the Phoenix team, and really they kind of came in and saved the day. We were floundering, some systems not working, we were in trouble. They came in, were adamant that they could help, and they were, that they did, but they kind of did it very, very fast. And now we've got all of our managed IT service through them. They're doing hardware, they're doing all of our licensing. We're having strategic conversations. They actually helped us through the SOC 2 certifications you guys have. We were able to get our ISO 27001, which is big in our business because we deal with much larger multinationals. They want to know that we're safe. They want to know we've got a robust IT management system and approach. So by hooking up, we were able to put our credentials down, leverage the name, and it became kind of a no-brainer. So it's helped us grow our business in addition to scale. And it's everything from break fix, hey, I need my email password reset, to, hey, let's have a conversation about how we roll out AI and take that to the next level. So it's been tremendous. Team's phenomenal, great, high touch, and it's kind of a one-stop shop. Like, there's not a lot of nickel and diming. It's just kind of it's been phenomenal. Yeah, so kind of strategic down to the ground level. So what we need to do, that's everything from, hey, we've got end of life on servers, you got some hardware you got to replace, hey, we want to look at this new platform, down to we've got all of our computers have an icon. They can reach out, they can open a help ticket, anyone can open it. The proactivity on the help is easy. You get a, hey, we got your message. They get response right away. They even follow up. Hey, it's been 3 or 4 days. This ticket's still open. Is there anything else we need to do? Can we close it out? So it's kind of that comprehensive cradle to grave touch from strategic executive level down to break fix. And we've got people that are manufacturing, engineering, sales, multifunctional, and everyone can kind of get a hold of what they need. And the service is tailored to kind of what that department needs. It's been a breath of fresh air. Because of our former situation where we had really a very small, overstretched IT resource group. They did the best they could, but there was 700 of us across 3 different businesses, 4 locations. Now it is high touch. We get immediate responses. We get proactive communication. Everyone loves the group. The guys will come in on site and do stuff. So can't rate it. It's gone from kind of being take a number and wait to now real high service, and all the ITS people are known at the office. We sleep way better. I mean, everything from the full endpoint threat assessments, network analysis. We haven't, knock on wood, had any issues yet from any kind of penetrations, but we know there's a good issue resolution path. There's proactive. We've taken advantage. The biggest thing was we've done a lot of our cybersecurity awareness training, and getting ourselves dialed in on that stuff has been really successful to grow awareness. And so we can really prevent the human side being susceptible to the data breaches and that kind of stuff. Then it's hardening up our systems, making sure we've got the right software in place. Like I mentioned, you guys are SOC 2, so that makes it easy for us. We were able to get some certifications. And when we share the credentials of our managed IT services group, there really aren't any questions from our customers. That's huge because we're dealing with customers much, much bigger than us. And they want to know that we're not going to be a point of entry for a cyber event through us into them. So
if somebody was on the fence about choosing ITS and they haven't talked to you, what would you tell them?
That's a great question. First of all, if they're local, have them call me, because I'd give them my experiences. But in our darkest hour, we were stuck. The team came in, laid out a plan, they executed the plan. And that was us at our worst. They were able to come in and kind of save the day. And then since then, it's been steadily moving forward, looking at the next thing, trying to peek around corners, see what's coming next. We're now having conversations about how to roll out AI governance and how to embrace that. So robust, highly capable. Everyone from Mike all the way through to the local team has been solid, and no complaints.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah,
man.
yeah,
Appreciate it.
my pleasure. Thanks.